Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can double tap the back of your phone to take screenshots. So to do that, you are going to basically go to the accessibility tab here, go to touch, scroll down and go to back tap here, select double tap, and you can choose any of these that you want. I'll just go to screenshot so I can show you. So I don't know how well this is going to work, but I'm just going to double tap on my phone, like so. It's okay, it's very hard to do on like my phone because honestly the back is kind of like messed up. I'm like trying hard to do it. It has to be like on the logo. I think my phone case is a little bit too heavy, but you're just going to double tap on the back. I assure you this will work on your phone that's not broken like mine. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Oh, there we go, to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.